Welcome guys in this new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to render text in SFML. So let's start. The first thing we need is to load the font that we are going to use. I'm going to use this one, which is a pixel font. So SF font, we're gonna call it font, then font dot load font file, and we're gonna load the font.tgf. Now let's create the text. So text, name it also text. Let's create text dot set font. We're gonna choose font, and now let's just text dot set string. Then we're gonna choose something like subscribe, and then we're gonna need to add a semicolon. Let's add text dot set character size. Let's make it 50. Now text dot set fill color. Let's choose like SF color cyan. Now let's go here and window dot draw text. Now let's save it. Let's go to our folder, open it, and this is it. Right. Now let's customize it. Make it bold. Text dot set style to something like SF text bold. Now let's compile it again. Now let's open our folder, run it, and it's bold because it's a font, but if you use a normal font you can see it like bold. Now let's add an underline. You can just add it with bold. So SF text underline, and save it. Now let's compile it again. Let's open our folder and let's run it. This is it. So it's underlined. You can use other type of styles. Let's see what styles are available for SFML. There is bold, there is italic, regular. Let's try italic and let's compile it. Now let's open the folder and you can see it. It's like italic, like the Tower of Pisa in Italy. It's inclined. So this is how to use text in SFML, how to customize it with styles and everything. I hope you liked the video and you're going to subscribe and like, and don't forget to share the video. Goodbye to another one.